Okay, so today we'll be programming the Baofeng 5RM, which is almost identical in programming to the Baofeng UV5R. Basically, you're just going to delete a channel and then save a channel. But as you can see, I don't have my favorite frequency programmed in. Channel 1 is set to a random frequency 143.125 as channel 1, which is nothing. And then the top frequency I have in frequency mode is 143.145, also means nothing here in Denver. What you want to do first, make sure you're in frequency mode.
Channel mode.
That's channel mode.
Frequency mode.
And that's frequency mode, and type in your repeater. My repeater sits on 145.310, so I'll plug that in.
1, 4, 5, 3, 1, 0.
And now I can receive my repeater. But I can't talk to it until I put in my PL tone and my offset. So I'll go to the menu item.
Menu.
And we'll start with 0. Make sure your squelch is set to 1. The Baofengs really operate best with squelch set to 1. If you set it to 0, it's open all the time. But squelch at 2 or 3, you won't be able to hear the lower power station. So back in the menu, we'll go to item number 12 and set our transmit CTCSS, and mine's going to be 88.5. So hit the menu button again.
CTCSS.
And I'm going to scroll right down to 88.5 megahertz. Menu again to save it.
Confirm.
And we'll go up to menu number 29, which is going to be our offset. 5 megahertz is way too much, so I'm going to edit that.
Frequency 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0.
Because I need 0.6 megahertz. Going to go down 1 to menu item number 28. My shift direction needs to be negative.
Frequency direction.
I'm just going to go down here to the flashing minus sign. Save that. And now I've got a standard negative offset of 0.600 megahertz. Let's go ahead and test it out and see if we can chunk the repeater. Exit the menu, hit the PTT, and sure enough, I can hit the repeater. But how do we save this to a channel? Simple. Go back into the menu, and we're just going to go up to delete channel, which is number 31. Channel 1, I'm just going to go ahead,
delete channel,
and I have to do nothing else except hit menu again. You know it's deleted when you don't see the CH in front of the number. So channel 001 has been deleted. I'm going to go down 1 to menu number 30 for memory channel. Look at my deleted channel, 001. Hit menu again. Go up, and all I have to do is hit menu.
Receiving memory.
And it's received in memory. Now when I go back, I'm still in VFO mode, but when I go into channel mode, 145.310 is in fact channel 1. If I go down to the bottom frequency and enter 0, 0, 1, you can see my repeater comes in just fine. Never have to do it again. It's always on channel 1. Thanks. This is KI5ONA. Have a great day.